Hi everyone, welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo cupcakes with an Oreo buttercream on top. To make your batter, you need to add all of your ingredients except the Oreos to a bowl and mix them. All of the measurements are in the description box below, or you can check out my blog bakingwithbecca.co.uk where I have the written recipe there as well. Once you've finished mixing, you should have a nice smooth batter. Now to get started on the Oreos. If you chop your Oreos before you crush them, it will make it a lot easier to get a finer crumb. You can blitz them in a food processor or use the end of a rolling pin to crush the Oreos. Add your crushed Oreos to your batter and fold it through. Fill your cupcake cases to about 2/3 full. Try and flatten out the tops of the batter to give it a more even bake, and then put them in the oven at 160 degrees for 25 minutes. To make the buttercream frosting, you want to first start by beating the butter on its own for at least 5 minutes. The butter should start to lighten in colour as well as start to volumize. Add half of the icing sugar and make sure you sieve it before it goes into the bowl. Beat this with your electric whisk for up to 5 minutes before you add the second half and repeat. Once you've finished beating the icing sugar and the butter, you can add your vanilla extract, crushed Oreos, and your milk. Add your buttercream to a piping bag and cut off the end. Draw a circle with the buttercream and then a smaller one on top and an even smaller one on top to create a swirl like an ice cream cone. You can then garnish with half of an Oreo. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just spoon the icing on, or if you want to do different designs, get creative. Let me know if you try out this recipe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications for my next post. If you can't wait until then, check out my Instagram page @BakingWithBeccaIG. Thanks for watching.